In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set 1-inch margins in Google Docs. If you're formatting a document for school, work, or any standard print layout, setting your margins correctly is an important first step. In Google Docs, this is very easy to do, and it only takes a moment once you know where to look. To begin, open your document in Google Docs and go to the top menu bar. Click on File, and then choose Page Setup from the drop-down menu. This will open a settings window where you can adjust the overall layout of your document, including the page orientation, paper size, page color, and of course, the margins. Once the page setup window appears, look for the margins section. You'll see boxes for top, bottom, left, and right. In each of these fields, enter 1. Make sure all 4 sides are set to 1, so your document has equal 1-inch margins all the way around. This is the standard margin size used for many professional documents, essays, and reports, so it's a good default setting to know. After entering 1 for the top, bottom, left, and right margins, click OK to apply the changes. As soon as you do that, your document will update with the new margin settings. And that's it. Your Google Doc is now set to 1-inch margins. As a quick tip, it's always a good idea to check your page formatting before you start writing a long document, especially if you're following specific guidelines for a class, resume, or business document. Setting the margins first can help you avoid having to reformat everything later. Also, if you regularly use 1-inch margins for your documents, you can look for the option in Page Setup to save those settings as your default in Google Docs. That can save time in the future, although for this walkthrough, simply clicking OK is all you need. This is a simple setting, but it can make a big difference in how polished and properly formatted your document looks. Once you've done it once, you'll be able to repeat it anytime in just a few seconds. That's all for this tutorial. Thank you for watching.